Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix USB device not recognized in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Let's fix it guys. Solution 1. You just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select power options. Select change when the computer sleeps. Select change advanced power settings. Just need to scroll down and click on this plus icon near to USB setting and plus icon next to USB selective suspend setting. Set this setting to disabled and then select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the same solution guys. You just need to open up a file explorer, go to this PC, go to C drive, go to Windows folder. Now you just need to scroll down and find INF folder, double click on it. In INF folder you just need to search for WPDMTP. Comes up WPDMTP.INF. You just need to right click on it and select the install option. Select yes. The operation completed successfully. Click on OK and just close stuff here and go ahead and restart the PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type disk management. Comes up create and format hard disk partitions. Click on open it. And here you just need to right click on your USB drive and select change drive letter and select change. You just need to click on this drop down and select the drive letter you want. After selecting it, select OK to save changes. Select yes. After that, your USB drive letter has been changed. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If this also doesn't fix your problem, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. Go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand this disk drives. In here you can able to see your USB device. Just right click on it and select update driver and select search automatically for drivers. Now close stuff here. Again right click and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers and select next. And after that just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fifth solution guys. The fifth solution, you just need to right click on the USB device over here and select the uninstall device and select yes. After uninstalling the device, you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.